The Supreme Court has stayed the release of the Rajiv Gandhi killers. For more, we're joined on the phone line by Vaidya Nathan. Vaidya, what is the news?
In fact, the important news from the Supreme Court is Supreme Court has stopped the Tamil Nadu government from releasing all the 7 convicts involved in Rajiv Gandhi assassination. Supreme Court, after hearing a petition by the center, set status quo, which basically means Tamil Nadu government cannot release. At the same time, Tamil Nadu government, the Supreme Court has issued notices to Tamil Nadu government, prison department, and also to the 3 accused whose death sentences have been committed to life, and asked them to respond within 2 weeks on central government's petition. Basically, Mr. Mohan Paras, Solicitor General for the central government, told the court it's completely blatant violation of the law what Tamil Nadu government has done, and Centre also argued saying that only Centre has got powers for remission, for allowing them out of the jail, not the state government. And he also said all the laws, of course they were acquitted in the Tata case, but all other laws which they were charged are central laws. Only central government is the appropriate government as per the existing provisions in the law. But Tamil Nadu government completely opposed it, saying that they've followed all the procedure, but there's nothing, there is no violation at all. But the Supreme Court, headed by Chief Justice Satasian, said that we are not going into the merits of the case, but we want to examine whether all procedures have been followed. And Chief Justice also saying that whenever death sentences have been committed to life, when they want remission, then they will have to give some specific reasons why the government is releasing them before the life sentence. Now the case will be taken up on March 6th to examine whether the Tamil Nadu government's decision is legally valid or not.
All right, so whether essentially the entire matter has now been put on hold for the next 2 weeks as the top court waits for the reply from the centre and the state.
Exactly. So till March 6th, they can't release. Even after March 6th also we don't know, but as per the release of these 7 convicts are concerned, now put on hold because the central government says the Jayalalitha government cannot unilaterally grant remission because it's central law, centre will have to do it. Supreme Court also saying that they will have to examine this issue whether state government unilaterally can grant remission by releasing all the 7. Now notice has gone to only to 3 convicts, Murugan, Santan and Pererival, and of course to the Tamil Nadu government also.
And what about the review petition that the centre is filing? They also want the Supreme Court to review its own order which commuted the death sentence for the 3 assassins.
Yeah, review petition, normally review petitions won't be taken up in open court. That will be taken up and decided in the chambers of the judges. So today it was not taken up. Of course, they filed it, but today the issue was only whether to stay the decision of the Jayalalitha government to release all the 7.